Hello everyone, I welcome you all in my new video lecture. In this video lecture, we will study about a harmonic signature. Now what exactly we mean by harmonic signature? Nowadays, we have lot of different types of load which generate harmonic current. Especially, we have different non-linear load and that generate current harmonics. Current harmonics are injected in the power system. It propagates, and because of impedance of the power system, current harmonic transform into voltage harmonic. So we can say that non-linear load are harmonic current generator as well as harmonic voltage generator. We'll see different types of load and its effect on the AC waveform in terms of either voltage distortion or current distortion. We start with fluorescent lighting. Fluorescent lighting takes less energy compared to incandescent type of lighting, but at the same time it generates significant current distortion. If we see the waveform of the current which supply to the fluorescent lightings, then we can see the significant dominant effect of third as well as fifth harmonic. We can even find certain trace of even harmonics also with higher orders. Waveform is flat topped, and if we compare total harmonic distortion, then it is almost near to 18%. Current drawn by the fluorescent lighting. Now we can see the waveform. It is flat topped and we have total harmonic distortion that is very near to the 18%. Another non-linear load, that is a adjustable speed drive. We have one of the technology that is known as a pulse width modulation technique, and with the pulse width modulation technique we can adjust current as well as voltage of the input supply, and accordingly we can adjust the speed of the motor. We can observe total harmonic distortion of 37.3% in current waveform when our adjustable speed drive is running at 60 Hz. We have taken 60 Hz as a fundamental frequency at this point. And if we reduce to operate our adjustable speed drive at less frequency, for example 45 Hz, then total harmonic distortion substantially increased to 74.2%. Now this is current waveform when our adjustable speed drive is operating at 60 Hz. The characteristic double hump, we can see the double hump in the waveform for each half cycle of the AC waveform is due to the conduction of the input rectifier modules for a duration of 260-degree period for each half cycle. And this is waveform, current waveform, while our adjustable speed drive is operating at less frequency, and that is 45 Hz. There is as I said, there is a substantial increase in total harmonic distortion from almost 37 to 38% to 74 to 75%. As we discussed earlier, non-linear load generate current harmonics, but because of system impedance, current harmonics are transformed into voltage harmonics. Now let us see the voltage harmonics at the input power lines when adjustable speed drive is operating at 60 Hz. Large current distortion can produce significant voltage distortion. That is what exactly we discussed, that current distortion is transformed into voltage distortion. Now we can observe voltage total harmonic distortion, that is 8.3%, and that is very high in case of voltage distortion. Now adjustable speed drive is operating at 60 Hz, but this waveform is for voltage harmonic. Now let us see one current waveform while adjustable speed drive is operating at 50 Hz, but we have now considered a small motor with a smaller horsepower, and with the line inductor on the input side. This type of drive contains line side inductors which, along with the higher inductance of the motor, produce a current waveform with less distortion. Total harmonic distortion that can be calculated as 36.3%, and this is waveform of the current distortion of the smaller horsepower motor and operating at 50 Hz. We have considered fundamental frequency as 60 Hz, and this drive is we are operating at 50 Hz but with the line inductor, and then we can see that because of line inductance as well as motor inductance, the current waveform distortion is very less. Now let us consider personal computer and monitors. Personal computer or monitor takes very less ampere, hardly it takes 2 ampere. But in case of multi-story buildings or high-rise building, in commercial installations, we have numbers of personal computer and monitors installed. So collective effect of all the personal computers is very drastic. We can observe third and fifth harmonic, dominant third and fifth harmonic, and total harmonic distortion exceeds 100%. The current total harmonic distortion for personal computer as well as for monitor exceeds 100% as the result of high level of individual distortion introduced by the third and fifth harmonic. Now, this is current waveform, current distortion for single personal computer. In same way, we can observe current distortion for the single computer video monitor. We can see the amount of current is very less, but collective effect on the load side, current distortion, it's very drastic. So we have discussed a certain non-linear loads which are producing very high current distortion, and as we discussed at the starting of the lecture, that current non-linear load can be considered as a current harmonic generator as well as voltage harmonic generator. So thank you very much for watching my video. Keep watching. Thank you very much.